First thing we want to do is heat up the actual butter, cream cheese, and the milk until it's melted and smooth on the pot first. So let's do that first. Alright, so we have the butter, cream cheese, and also the milk. We're going to turn on the heat on medium fire and then just keep stirring until everything melts. So let's do that first. Fire is on. Make sure it's on medium fire. And then once this is all done, you guys want to turn off the fire, just let it cool down, and then we're going to use it later on. Alright, so you can see everything basically melted already, but we're going to keep stirring a little bit more, and then we're going to turn off the fire and just let it cool down. Alright, so we're going to mix the actual egg yolk first, and then we're going to add in the other ingredients in. So you want to add it slowly in while you guys are mixing the product itself. Alright, so now we want to get the cornstarch and the flour and add it in slowly onto here. Alright, so we're going to add in the flour, which is 1/4 cup, and then we're going to add in the cornstarch, which is also 1/4 cup. Alright, so we have the cornstarch and also the flour in here, so we're going to mix it up. Make sure it's evenly mixed and whatnot. Alright, so that should be done. So now we're going to add in a matcha. So we're going to add roughly around 1.5 tablespoons so that I can get more of the matcha flavor. Alright, so that's 1 tablespoon. Add a little bit more. Let's just do it halfway. That's enough. And then we're going to just mix it up, and then we're going to work on the other stuff, which should be the egg whites and the sugar. So we're going to mix up the matcha right now first with the remaining of the base. Alright, so we're going to beat the egg right now and then slowly add the sugar after it's all set. So we're going to turn it on first. Alright, so now we're going to slowly add in the sugar. Just add it slowly as we stir. So what we're going to do now is slowly add this onto our matcha, which is right here. Matcha base right here. And then once it's all done, we can put it onto the plate and use it for baking the Japanese cheesecake. Alright, so you want to just slowly add it on. Maybe add 1/4 at a time. And just keep folding it. So you want to make sure the whole entire base is mixed pretty well so that there's not any white parts left. Keep doing this until the whole entire batch or the mix itself is mixed nicely. And one thing I want to let you guys know is that when I was doing the matcha part, I didn't actually did it correctly. That's why you guys see all these little dots right here. What you should have done is sift it so that way there's all the matcha powder is not all crumbled up like what you see right now. So that's why you guys see what it is right here. So when you guys actually do it yourself, don't do what I did. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I'm done and then show you guys what it looks like when it's complete. So you guys don't have to keep sitting here with me. Alright, so we're adding in the mix onto here now and then we're going to put it in. So you want to make sure you guys put in the whole entire mix itself. Make sure there's none left. Make sure I clean the bowl completely so there's not any left over. Alright, so it's all ready now. Let's put it in and see what happens afterward. Alright, so it's all set, if you guys can see. So now we're going to put it into the oven and then cook it for I believe 25 minutes on this temperature and then turn it down afterward. Alright, let's see how it looks like. So this is the final product. You guys can see, it looks pretty good, but let's take it out and see how it looks like afterward. Alright, so we're gonna peel it open and see what it looks like. But here is basically what it looks like completed, if you guys can see. Matcha Japanese Cheesecake. Looks pretty fluffy. It bounces. So you guys can see, basically this is what it looks like when we finish making it. Looks very, very good. It's actually better than my first time making it, because this time it's bigger and looks more fluffier and actually wiggles and whatnot. So definitely really, really worth it to make one of these if you guys want to make one.